The red wolf is a species that has faced a tumultuous history in the United States. Historically, it ranged across the southeastern United States, but by the 1970s, it was declared extinct in the wild due to habitat loss, hunting, and predator control programs. At that point, the only remaining red wolves were in captivity. In an effort to save the species, a captive breeding program was initiated in the 1970s, which successfully prevented the complete extinction. This program provided a foundation for reintroduction efforts. Starting in the late 1980s, red wolves were reintroduced into the Alligator River National Wildlife Refuge in North Carolina. These reintroduction efforts aimed to re-establish a self-sustaining population of red wolves in the wild. Red wolves are smaller than gray wolves, with a distinctive reddish-brown coat and some black markings. They primarily prey on small to medium-sized mammals like rabbits and rodents, which helps control these prey populations and maintains the ecological balance in their habitat. One of the ongoing challenges in red wolf recovery is hybridization with coyotes. Red wolves and coyotes can interbreed, leading to hybrid animals. To address this issue, conservationists have focused on monitoring and managing the red wolf population and taking measures to minimize hybridization. Efforts to protect and restore the red wolf population continue, but the species remains critically endangered. Its survival relies on habitat conservation, public support, and continued breeding and reintroduction programs. The red wolf is a symbol of the challenges and importance of preserving endangered species and the ecosystems they inhabit.